Do you want to know if Survey Junkie really is one of the highest paying survey sites and a really great way to earn some extra money online for free, or if it is a waste of time? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and many viewers have asked me about Survey Junkie and how good it is. And in this Survey Junkie review, I'll give you an inside look and share my opinion about it based on having tested hundreds of different paid survey sites, so you can find out exactly whether you should join this platform or not. So before showing you how Survey Junkie works and whether it's really worth it or not, let's first talk about who can join. And you need to be aware that Survey Junkie is only available in the US, Canada or Australia, and you have to be 16 years to join. You can join on the website or you can join through the app. But if you do not live in one of these countries, you cannot join. They have strong security. You will get banned. You will not get paid if you do not live in one of these countries. But if you do not do it, then there are plenty of other paid surveys that are available in many other countries. I will leave a link below to a list I have where you can choose between many different countries and the best survey sites in those countries. But if you do live in one of these countries, is it then worth it? Let's take a closer look and find out. I have now logged into Survey Junkie and I've created a new account. That's in general something you should not do. I'm just doing it because I'm recording and many people have asked me to show exactly how it works from scratch and all that. But you should not create several accounts or anything like that because that will just get you banned. So this is just for illustrating this. But once you join, you will just go straight to the survey dashboard. It does offer some other ways to earn. Once in a while, we'll talk about that just a bit later, but the main way to earn on Survey Junkie is by taking paid surveys. But when you first join, you need to first fill out your profile. Take these different surveys. They first give you a tour and then you need to take survey tutorial and fill out different profiles. It does not take long, but maybe 10 minutes in total to go through this, but then you also get paid for it. So that's kind of a joining bonus, but you do not just get it. You need to fill out this profile and then you will see the available surveys when they are available. Overall, Survey Junkie does offer a decent number of paid surveys. It does not have necessarily surveys all the time, but it does have a decent number and it does pay quite decently and it's very user friendly. You can see it's kind of just all you can do. You can find right there on the dashboard and you can always see how much you will get for the different surveys, but you do need to fill out these tutorials first or profiles before you will get access to the actual surveys. You just need to be aware that even though it does offer a decent number of surveys, you will not qualify for all surveys. That is how it in general is with paid survey sites. So sometimes it can take some patience to find the service you qualify for. That's just something to be aware of. But it does also offer once in a while other ways to earn in addition to the paid service. So let's talk a bit about those options also. So in addition to just finding the regular paid surveys inside Survey Junkie, they also have something called SJ Pulse or Survey Junkie Pulse. And this is a browser extension that you can install on your browser, and you have to do that. You can't just go to the Google Chrome store and find it. You have to do it from inside the platform. You will get a pop-up once you filled out everything that will ask you to do that if you're interested in this. So what it will do is that you just use the browser as you usually would, and then it will gather data about your different interests, and then based on that it will give you additional surveys, whereas the surveys you find just inside Survey Junkie with your regular membership, as I just showed you, are just more like general surveys. But here it is specifically based on the data that it gathers anonymously when you are surfing the web. But not only does it give you the option to potentially qualify for exclusive service like this, it also continuously gather this data in the background, as you can see, and use this for market research, and you will earn rewards passively like this. And there's quite a few other options that offer this, where they gather data that is used for market research and then it's used to improve different services and products and things like this. And it can be a very easy way to earn a bit extra. I will also leave a link below to a list I have of the best passive options like this if you want to earn more ways like this. So the next question is then, how can you then get the earnings out that you earn from using Survey Junkie and Survey Junkie Pulse? So let's talk about that next. But before doing that, it would be really great if you could just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. Before joining any service site, it's very important to know how you can get paid, because some service sites really offer poor payout options and really high payout thresholds, so it takes forever to get it. So you always need to check that first. And when it comes to Survey Junkie, you need 500 points to redeem, and that is worth $5. So the payout threshold is quite low, and this is one of the things that Survey Junkie has improved over the years. It used to be $10, which is still fairly low, but now it's only $5. So definitely a nice low payout threshold. And then you can, once you've earned $5, redeem them as e-gift cards or cash via PayPal or bank transfer. Just be aware that the e-gift cards, meaning electronic gift cards you got via email, and bank transfers are currently, as of recording this video, only available in the US. So if you do not live in the US, you have to use one of the other payout options, or basically, as of recording this video, that would be PayPal, but that's also a great way to get paid in cash, in my opinion. Overall, Survey Junkie is a legit paid service site. It definitely does give access to a decent number of fairly high paying surveys. I wouldn't call it the highest paying service site, but it definitely is one of the service sites that I think is worth checking out if you live in one of the countries where you can join it. And if you're then interested in earning a little bit more, and maybe potentially even finding exclusive service or earning passively in the background, you can also consider using this Survey Junkie polls as an extra way to earn, because the payout options are fairly good, and the payout threshold, I do like that they have lowered that, so you only have to earn $5. So overall, it is very user friendly. You can also use the app, so you can take the service on the go. Definitely great options. And I also have a full written tutorial and also an invitation link if you want to join it. I'll leave that below so you can find all that information and easily get started if you want to join it after watching this video. But no matter what, I hope the video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time it's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.